Let's stop the app then and open the terminal. Type Flutter run -d Chrome, and -d Chrome selects the browser as Google Chrome. Finally, type --web-render HTML, which will set the web renderer to HTML, and hit enter. Let's wait for the app to run now. It will take a few seconds. And the app showed up. Let's go to the contact page, and we will observe that the image is of the original quality and it just looks good. But here's the catch. If you hover over the tab's web, you will find out that there are 2 underlines instead of 1. The Flutter framework consists of lines of codes on which you run your code, and codes may have bugs. The current issue comes from the Flutter framework itself, and you cannot do anything about it. You could report it to Flutter and probably wait for years for the bug to be fixed. I wanted to show you one of the Flutter's bugs, because while writing production-grade applications, you will face problems like these, and that's not limited to Flutter only. It happens in all frameworks. What you could do over here is try alternative ways of underlining I showed you in the past videos. Another option would be to run with CanvasKit with a bad quality image. Or you could just keep it as it is because the design is amazing too. Now let's come to the next part. Do we need to write all these lines of code before running our app every single time? No, we can create a new configuration in Android Studio, which will help us to write this extra line of command every time we run the app. So let's click on Edit Configurations, and you can observe that we have the main.dart configuration here, which implements the Flutter run command. So let's click on the plus button over here and choose Flutter. I am just going to name it main.dart.html. We need to set the data entry point, so let's choose the main.dart file and click on OK. By default, the Flutter run will be there. We just need to type the additional arguments. Let's type --web-renderer HTML then. Now click on Apply, and you can see that you can select one of these configurations. Just a reminder, make sure you use main.dart.html only while running the apps on web browsers because other platforms like Android don't use these web renderers. Now let's run the code. Just wait for the app to appear and click on Contact. The page is rendered on HTML, and as you can see, everything is working fine as of now. So now that we've finished the sliver app bar, let's focus on the body.